Are you sick of snoring or sleeping with someone who does snore? Because if so, look what I have. These are the Iu Claire hypoallergenic. They promote deep sleep with anti-snoring. You want me to show you how it works? Absolutely. First, we're gonna take it out of the package. There are two sides. Tear off one side and tear off the other. Then it says to make sure that your lips and mouth are clean and dry. I have chapstick on right now, but hopefully it'll work. So then you just place the tape over your mouth properly, and the job is done. I think it's gonna work. If you are a snorer or you sleep with a snorer and you're sick of it, click that orange card and I'll have it linked below.